Hey everyone. Many of you are probably working on the LAC operon lab report that's due next week. For a lot of you, you probably already made the graph and you're all set. But if you haven't, or if you're having any trouble making the graph, I wanted to make a quick video to help you in doing so. So what I'm going to do is open an Excel file on my computer and walk you through the steps to make the graph. Okay, and we're going to move the camera in, and I'm just going to go back. We're going to zoom in on the screen. So, oh, yep, I guess we're good. So I'm going to go back to Excel now. Okay, so let me just, okay, I think we're good. Anyway, so in Excel, I've entered a sample data set. So you can see that up here in the left-hand corner. I have the times and the 6 different conditions. Okay, so I'm going to, start from scratch. So I'm going to highlight the 4 data points that correspond to wild type water. And I'm going to insert a graph. So I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to do a scatter plot with lines. Okay, so we have our first data set graphed. So we want to find the option for select data. For me, it's up here. For some of you, you might have to right click. Some of you might have to double finger. If you can't figure out where it's at on your version of Excel, just do a quick Google help search to figure out where to get that option for select data. So I found select data. Okay, I'm going to move that screen over here so you can hopefully see what I'm doing a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to edit the current data that's there. And I'm just going to move it over. So I'm going to name it. I'm going to call it wild type water. The X values are our times. So I'm going to highlight those 4 times. The Y stuff that's there, I'm just going to do it again. So I'm going to erase what's there and then highlight the 4 absorbances. Hit OK. Okay, and that's what we had before. So now the trick is that we want to add all 6 lines on the same graph. So what I'm going to do in this menu is then add another data set. So the next one I'm going to add, I'm going to call it wild type IPTG. I'm going to highlight the X values. So I'm going to highlight those 4 times again. And then I'm going to erase what's there for Y. And then I'm going to highlight the 4 corresponding absorbances. So I'll highlight those 4. Hit OK. All right. And then we have our graph. X out, I didn't hit. Okay. So if you do that, what you're going to do is try it again. So I'm going to add it again. I need to add wild type IPTG. X values for the 4 times, Y values for the 4 absorbances, and then I should hit OK, and then OK. Okay, again, I'm going to go back to select data and that naming of the series 1. For some reason, I probably didn't hit OK, so I'm going to go back to that one and edit it again so that I can enter the name properly. So that one was wild type with water. And my X values again were the 4 times. Hit OK. Okay, now it looks really good. Last thing you might want to do is add the legend so you can remember what the colors correspond to. So there's usually an option, at least for me, it's over here, where under chart elements, I can hit legend. So now you can see wild type water is flat at the bottom, wild type IPTG is increasing. Hopefully your data will look good, just like that. And now that you know how to add 2 lines to the same graph, you basically just go back and do the same thing to add the other 4 lines to the same graph. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. Good luck.